everyone in. Where are we, Lila?
San Diego.
For what?
For Thanksgiving to celebrate.
Oh, can you tell us one thing you're thankful for? Just one.
My family.
Kobe, what are you thankful for?
Thanksgiving.
Okay, got it.
Thanksgiving?
Oh, that's what he said. Thanksgiving. Hey, beautiful. Come on. I got a cart. Let's go.
Toby said he's so strong.
Oh, yeah, he is, huh? Alright, let's get in. Okay, make sure you show her right card. Okay?
I got it.
Let's go. I'm in the market to get a new laptop, and I'm trying to decide which one I want to get, but I think it's going to come down to the MacBook Air M1 because it's cheaper right now.
Are you buying it?
Think so. M1 chip right here. Oh, okay. Alright, let's pin it. Cool.
Good.
You got, what kind of snack is that? Blueberry and apple.
Apple juice.
Every last bit. What do you have? Can you give it to me? Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, is it cold in here?
No. Not even that cold. Not even cold in here.
Oh, you went in the cold one, now cold, huh?
It's cold.
It's cold?
Not even cold.
Whoa, no.
That wasn't even cold. Hi, blog. What?
You said hi, blog.
Poke it.
Okay.
You have a laptop.
Yay!
Oh.
148 1769. 148 1769. There you go.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Yeah, but you got your laptop.
Yay!
Trying to find one that writes.
I want
I want it.
There you go. That's for both of you. You can share it.
Say thank you.
it. Thank you.
It's the happy balloon. You guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. The happy balloon.
The happy balloon.
Here. You're welcome.
I want it. I want everything. Okay,
I have a headache.
we bought some food for our Thanksgiving dinner tonight with our family, and we have not had coffee this morning yet, and it is right now 11
Oh my
o'clock. So Starbucks run. Here you go. You're gonna be on TV. Yay! You see yourself on YouTube. You watch it every day.
No, I can't do it.
I can't do it. You need help?
Okay, I'm gonna help.
I'm gonna help you.
Papa, I found you.
Wow, great job.
Got it, homie.
Yeah.
You got it.
I got it.
You got it. Okay, hold the top part. Hold the top part. The side.
Yeah.
No, right here.
No, that's good.
Albert.
Great job. Good job.
Yay! Which one do you want, Lila? Oh, that's steep one. Okay, Mila, go down that one. Okay, this is yours too. Oh, wee! Go down, your turn. Wee! Go. Okay, go. On this one, Kobe? Go. Wee! Oh, yeah! Was that good?
Yeah.
Alright. Wow. Is it? Cadence, did you get ice cream?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lava! Wah!
I got it.
Lava!
Let's go do it again.
They're finally playing together. All right.
10,
this
9,
is yummy.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Hey, stop walking away from me.
2, 1.
All right. Wow. What are you gonna do?
I think he lost interest after seeing Cadence with the ice cream.
Hey, we'll give you ice cream later, okay? When we go home.
What?
After
No,
eat
you have to eat dinner
You have
first.
to eat dinner,
If you don't eat dinner, then no ice cream, okay?
okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go play. Have fun. You wanna play?
Come on, Kobe, you can do it. Okay. Put your hands up. Deep breath. Curl.
Lila did not do that bad too.
Again. Robot.
He doesn't want to step on the sand because he's don't want sand in his shoe.
Well, wait. Emma, come here.
Do you have to have our dinner?
Did Carrie even get any food?
She should. Alright, say bye to the vlog.
Should we make a plate for her?
So I just wanted to make a quick unboxing video to show you guys that I did get my MacBook Air. I'm really happy about it. Here's the welcome screen and all that. I gotta set up my MacBook Air and get it going from there. I'm so excited because I have a MacBook from like 2012, I think it is. 2012, 2011, I can't remember, but this is a very old computer laptop. It's been good to me, but I can't edit anything on here. I can't use Photoshop, I can't use Lightroom, I can't even make videos on iMovie, so figured it's time to upgrade and get me something else that will last me another 10, 12 years. Appreciate you guys all, and we hope to make good content for you guys. All right, see you guys, bye.